This video will quickly take you around showing you what shops are in the commercial centre. But first let's just orient ourselves and look at what's close by. There are 3 commercial centres in Coronado, all located along the Pan American Highway. Tiendas de Coronado is a little bit out of town. You'll find there a Burger King and a specialist supermarket. Concentrating on the centre, the main and Plaza Las Pérgolas are next to each other, 5 minutes walk or less. Here you'll find a smaller version of Riba Smith, the top-notch supermarket, Novey, which sells various things for the home, DIY equipment, things for the garden, a little bit of sports equipment. Felipe Motta, which sells wine, spirits, mini deli, chocolates, beer, cheeses, savoury snacks and quality bread. Next door are Grippy and Silver pool supplies. Organica store, a health food shop, selling everything from fresh vegetables to chocolate, household cleaning to personal beauty and cleansing products, and even products for children and pets. You'll also find a meat specialist and a dental clinic. There's also a vet, Benji, Vogar, which sells mattresses, blinds, lighting, vacuums, water coolers, kitchens, curtains, and a variety of other items.